YouTube. I was just thinking about doing a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers. Doesn't sound like much, but when you're just getting off the ground, hey, 100 subscribers is 100 subscribers. Anyway, I'm thinking about doing a Comfrey Root giveaway. Comfrey is an amazing plant. There are so many medicinal benefits to it. I have made a comfrey oil, which is awesome for sprains. You can use comfrey. It's a I don't know what you want to call it. I'll put a description in when I do up the video. But it's really good for any kind of sprains or breaks or anything like that. It's a really good healing property. If you have a wound, once it is scabbed over, you can put comfrey oil on it. My daughter has used it. My daughter-in-law has used it. It's a very versatile plant. Anyway, this is the blocking 14 variety, I believe, which means that it doesn't spread by seed. It won't spread unless you dig it up and have some root cuttings, and then you can plant more. It's also good. I feed it to my chickens. You can cut the leaves and give it to your chickens. It brings up a lot of minerals because it has an extensive root system. And I have many plants. I plant it around my garden. Well, I'm working on planting it around my garden. So I have one there. I'll take you out front. I like it because it blocks weeds from getting into your garden. So let me sorry, I'm going to have to walk around the greenhouse here. I wasn't going to go up here, but I just happened to think of this. So where, you can see I have it growing, where comfrey grows, it will block grass. I mean, not totally, but it definitely helps. Let me take you up front because you can really see it up front. If you look, there's not a whole lot of grass growing around it. And so what I do is when it starts to flower, I will step on it, step it down, so the flowers can continue to be available for pollinators, but it will help to suppress weeds. So anyway, you can look, especially in this area right here where I have it planted really close together. I mean, there's some weeds there, but not a lot. I have strawberries that are peeking through here. But then if you come on down this way, where I only just last year put in these couple little plants. See, I haven't stepped them down yet because I just put them in last year, so they didn't really get very big. But you can see, hopefully, I can't see, where I had stepped down the leaves last year, how there's very little growth of weeds and grass and stuff. So, and it's also like really helped. See, in this area of my garden, there's very little weed growth as opposed to down here where I just added these plants. You can see the grass that has kind of crept in there. So it's an amazing plant. Every homestead should have some. And the nice thing is once you have some established, all you had to do is dig up a plant, get some 1-inch, 2-inch root cuttings from it, plant them, and they'll come right back. So I gotta put another one in here. Amazing plant. But anyway, so once I hit 100 subscribers, I will put up another video sorry about the mess here, we redid our grapevines. I will put up another video and tell you how you can be entered into the drawing to win 10 free comfrey root cuttings. So, thanks for watching and subscribing. Click the link below to subscribe, and we'll see you the next time. Have a great day.